Welcome everyone. Let us learn about farm animals.
Cow, sheep, goose, horse, goat, pig, donkey, duck, rabbit. To see more such videos, like, subscribe and share.